Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add Airbnb reviews to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor and then just scroll down below on this video to the description. When you're gonna do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is a really amazing company and they're making a lot of widgets which are good for Elementor website, and one of them is Airbnb reviews. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now, you want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. That's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right then, you're going to be in applications and you just want to write in the search Airbnb. And you got to see it here, Airbnb reviews. Let's create a widget. Now, you can go to reviews, the carousel, the slider, really choose which one you want. I'm going with the carousel now. When I got it, you just add here your URL, simply. And you edit the filters here if you want to. You can edit everything with the layout, with the style, with the colors. Then just go to top right, click save. Right after do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now what you want to do, you just simply add HTML. In search, paste it, and paste the code here. And voila, here you got it. Now I'm just going to preview the web changes right now. And yeah, so thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.